Let's head to the National Assembly now. Every institution has rules guiding its procedures and operations, which all members must abide by. This point was buttressed at the Senate with regards to the ensuing controversy involving Senator representing Kogi Central, Natasha. National Assembly correspondent Damiele reports that President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, also at the commencement of plenary debunks allegations of sexual harassment leveled against him by Senator Natasha, urging the public to await the decision of the courts on the matter.
While I am aware matters are in court, however, I would like to state clearly that at no time did I ever attempt any sexual harassment on the said distinguished Senator Abuja or any other woman.
Immediately, President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, concluded his comments on the said allegation. Senator Natasha raised a point of order, this time from the seat she had last week rejected, seeking permission to table a petition against the President of the Senate, bordering on allegations of sexual harassment.
You may recall, sir, that on Friday in Arise TV, I did make some statements. And I have decided to narrow these statements in a formal petition against the President of this Senate. So if it may please you, I would humbly step forward and lay this petition. Thank you.
You may proceed.
But the chief whip of the Senate and the Senate leader pointed to the fact that our procedure contravenes the provisions of Senate standing rules.
This petition that was presented by Senator Natasha was signed by herself, which is also in gross contravention of our Senate rules. It has to be her constituents or any other Nigerian.
So it is important for the public to know that political as this matter can be, we cannot be emotional about it. We are guided by two things. Actually, three different things. We are guided by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, Section 60 of which says we shall regulate our procedure. Secondly, we are guided by the rules of this Senate. Section 40, subsection 4, of which also says no senator shall personally sign a petition to be laid before this Senate. It's not about committee on ethics. It's not about waiting for the committee to take a decision. It's about whether this matter is right to be referred to the committee. Mr. Senate President, you were being emotional because you didn't want to be seen as trying to stop this allegation.
Having been referred to the Senate Committee on Ethics and Privilege, which is already investigating the previous allegations of misconduct by Senator Natasha, chairman of the committee said, in line with the standing rules, the petition on alleged sexual harassment would not be entertained.
I can understand why she's not here. She's probably not here on the order of her lawyers. The petition she presented today is actually dead on arrival. And I say that because it runs contrary to Order 40, subsection 4.
Attempt by Senator Natasha to stop the inquiry on her alleged misconduct through a court order was also set aside in the principle of separation of power. Other features at plenary include first reading of 5 bills and the passage of the bill to establish David Umahi University of Health Sciences in Ebonyi State. A motion urging authorities to prevent attacks on farming communities in Edo State was adopted with appeals for assistance to the victims. From the National Assembly, Lami Ali, NTA News.